Welcome to the spoken tutorial on slide creation in LibreOffice Impress. In this tutorial, we will learn about slideshows, slide transitions, automatic shows. You use slideshows to present slides before an audience. Slideshows can be shown on desktops or projectors. Slideshows occupy the entire computer screen. Presentations cannot be edited in the slideshow mode. Slideshows are for display only. Open the presentation sampleimpress.odp. Let's view this presentation as a slideshow. From the main menu, click on Slideshow and then on Slideshow. Alternately, you can use the function key F5 to start the slideshow. The presentation is displayed as a slideshow. You can navigate between the slides by using the arrow buttons on your keyboard. Alternately, right-click the mouse for the context menu and select Next. This will take you to the next slide. To exit the slideshow, right-click the mouse for the context menu. Here, select End Show. Another way to exit is to press the Escape button. You can also interact with your audience using the mouse pointer as a pen option. Let's enable this option and see how it works. From the main menu, click Slideshow and Slideshow Settings. The Slideshow dialog box appears. Under Options, check the boxes Mouse Pointer Visible and Mouse Pointer as Pen. Click OK to close the dialog box. Again, from the main menu, click Slideshow and then on Slideshow. Notice that the cursor has now turned into a pen. This option allows you to write or draw on the presentation while it is in the slideshow mode. When you press the left mouse button, you can sketch with the pen. Let's draw a tick mark against the first point. Pause this tutorial and do this assignment. Use the sketch pen to draw a small diagram on an Impress slide. Now left-click on the mouse button. The next slide is displayed. You can also advance to the next slide when you press the space bar. Let's exit the slideshow. Right-click for the context menu and click End Show. Next, let's learn about slide transitions. What are slide transitions? Transitions are effects that are applied to slides as we move or transition from one slide to the next in a presentation. From the main pane, click on the Slide Sorter tab. All the slides in the presentation are displayed here. You can easily change the order of slides in a presentation in this view. Let's select Slide 1. Now, press the left mouse button. Drag and drop the slide in between slides 3 and 4. The slides are rearranged. Press the Ctrl+Z keys to undo this action. You can add different transitions to each slide in one go. From the Slide Sorter view, select the first slide. Now, from the Tasks pane, click on Slide Transition. Under the Apply to Selected Slides, scroll and select Wipe Up. Notice that the transition effect is displayed in the main pane. You can control the transition speed by choosing the options from the Speed drop-down menu. Under Modify Transitions, click on the Speed drop-down box. Click Medium. Now, let's set a sound to the transition. Under Modify Transitions, click on the Sound drop-down box. Choose Beam. Similarly, let's select the second slide. In the Tasks pane, click on Slide Transitions. Under the Apply to Selected Slides, select Wheel Clockwise 4 Spokes. Now click on the Speed drop-down box, select Medium. Next, click on the Sound drop-down box, choose Applause. Now let's preview the transition effect we have made. Click Play. We have now learned how to animate and add a sound effect to a slide transition. Let us now learn how to create a presentation that advances automatically. From the Tasks pane, click Slide Transitions. In the Transition type, select Checkerboard Down. In the Speed drop-down, select Medium. From the Sound drop-down, select Gong. Check Loop until next sound. Click the radio button automatically after. Select time as 1 second. Click on Apply to All Slides. Note that clicking on the Apply to All Slides button applies the same transition for all the slides. This way we need not add transitions for each slide individually. From the main menu, click on Slideshow and then select Slideshow. Notice that the slides advance automatically. Let's press the Escape key to exit the presentation. Let us now learn to create a presentation that advances automatically but with different display times for each slide. This is useful when the content of some slides in the presentation are longer or more complex. From the main pane, first click on Slide Sorter tab. Select the second slide. Go to the Tasks pane. Under Slide Transitions, go to Advanced Slide option. In the Automatically After field, enter the time 2 seconds. From the main pane, select the third slide. Go to the Task pane. Under the Slide Transitions, go to the Advanced Slide option. In the Automatically After field, enter the time 3 seconds. Let's select the fourth slide and follow the same steps as for the previous slides and change the time to 4 seconds. From the main menu, click on Slideshow and then on Slideshow. Notice that each slide is displayed for a different length of time. Let's press the Escape key to exit the presentation. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned about slideshows, slide transitions, automatic show. Here is an assignment for you. Create a new presentation. Add a wheel clockwise, 2-spoke transition at medium speed for the second and third slides with a gong sound. Create an automatic slideshow. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This tutorial has been contributed by Desi Crew Solutions Private Limited. Thanks for joining.